Hello friends of software entertainment and welcome to Never Code Alone. Do you also want to generate and publish FAQ items out of the box for your content marketing in your typo backend using OpenAI and ChatGPT? Then I have very good news for you, and here is a live coding tutorial for the AI suite. Everything else will be right after the intro. And with that, we are already in my backend. And I can simply say, create new record in the corresponding overview. And then I have my AI suite available for selection on the left side. And here I have an accordion, white. And in this accordion, I can now select as usual that I want to generate image and text from OpenAI via DALL-E. And I can say here, make me a nice FAQ section for typo backend editors. Beginner level with 5 items. And when I generate everything now, the corresponding result will appear here after a short time. I have a headline and a subline, then a corresponding image, and I can directly select an alternative image title for the additional corresponding image. And here I have the items, each of which also has a corresponding image that corresponds. How do I log into the typo backend? And then it shows which URL to follow accordingly. Here are the images that are generated for each one. And that is really quite sensational. And with that, I have content ready right away. Immediately, I can regenerate it if I don't like it, if necessary. Otherwise, I can also directly transfer the content to this page and have it readily available for editors. I can then easily and conveniently adjust the corresponding items and the relevant content here. If you like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. My name is Roland from Never Code Alone. I publish tutorial videos here twice a week. So if you don't know the channel yet, feel free to follow and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, have fun and goodbye.